learn how to create Hello World using Objective-C, using viewcontroller.m file in Objective-C to create CG-Rec structure. To create UI label object, assign the text and change the background color. Run and build the project. Select Xcode icon on the dock. On the dashboard, click here to create a new Xcode project. On the template window, select the Vue-based application. Click Next. In the product name input box, let's enter Hello World, all lowercase. Keep the company identifier the same. Select the device family as iPhone. Leave the checkbox unchecked on unit test. Click Next. Save it on the desktop and leave the checkbox on source control unchecked. Click on Create. We're seeing the Hello World project showing the Summary tab on Targets. Make sure the folder is expanded to show the list of files. Click on Hello World viewcontroller.m once to see the source code. This is the implementation file that's showing all the source code. The method we wanted to use is called view.didLoad. So let's remove the first and the last line. And enter a new line. We need to create an object called CG-Rec. It creates a structure. We want to give a rectangular structure named Label Frame. We're going to use the CG-Rec make function. It comes with 4 parameters. The inline suggestion giving us the 4 parameters that we need to enter. The first one is X, the second is Y. This gives us the XY position of the rectangular structure. The third and the fourth one will define the width and the height of the rectangular structure. Once we create the CG-Rec rectangle structure to hold the UI label, then we create the UI label. We assign a pointer to the object name label. When you create an object, you need to allocate the memory to the object called UI label and initialize it with a class method called initializeWithFrame. Now we can assign the text property to a NS string. By default, the view controller's view is gray. We need to assign a white color to the background. Self is referring to the Hello World view controller.m. View referring to the view of the Hello World view controller. Then we will assign the background color. We can select the white color in UI color. After we create the CG rect structure rectangle to hold the UI label, assign the text, the background color, we need to add all these, the label, to the view controller's view. Once everything is done, we need to release all the objects that we have created. So you can see that we have created the label here. Now, once everything is finished, we need to release the memory of the object. Now you can see the icon on the Hello World view controller.m is still gray out. Means that we didn't save the change. Need to go to File, Save. Now everything is good. Let's go to the top left and click on the Run and Build icon. It launched the iPhone simulator showing Hello World. Congratulations, you just create the Hello World using Objective-C.